8 strategies to reduce carbon emissions. We chose CCS electricity because 90% of CO2 would be captured from fossil fuel power plants and then put underground. Power plants contribute to about 1/4 of the world's carbon emissions. The price is in the moderate cost bracket and is in the electricity production sector. However, the only issue with it is that there is possible CO2 leakage. However, chances of these are low. We chose efficiency electricity because of not only is it in the lower price range, but also because we want the plants to run even better and more proficient. The efficiency rate is 40% to now 60%, and also, as we said before, it is cheap. The only problem, however, is the increase in plant costs. But with the cheap cost to run the wedge itself, it makes up for it. Nuclear energy was chosen because new reactors would add thousands of tons of plutonium to the world. It would also cut emissions by 1 wedge if coal plants were displaced. There is minimal environmental waste with this, and also it is in the moderately costing price bracket. The only issues, however, are that it gives nuclear waste, there is a fear of leakage, and it can be used as a weapon. Wind electricity not only is a green alternative, but is becoming very popular, growing at a rate of 30% per year. 1 wedge would require a combined area of the windmills to be about the size of Germany. The fields the windmills are on can also be used for many other uses, such as crops and pastures. The price is in the moderate bracket, and however, the issues with it are that some do not like the look of windmills, and also wind is not always present. Solar electricity would be a greener solution that comes from the sun, and although has a high cost, and also has the problem of the sun not always being present, it is however renewable and is CO2 free. To make 1 wedge of biofuel conservation, we must increase today's global ethanol production by 12 times. It is in the moderate cost bracket, and bioengineering advancements could increase the efficiency of plant photosynthesis and use the crop residues. Forest storage could be achieved if we halted global deforestation in 50 years. We would also focus on planting forests. The removal of forests have negatively affected the earth. To obtain 1 wedge through only forest planting, new forests would have to be the size of the contiguous United States. It's also in the lower cost bracket, so it's cheap. However, it gives the possibility of competitive land management. A wedge in soil storage could be achieved by applying carbon management strategies to all of the world's existing agricultural soils. It is also very cheap in the lower price bracket, which is much of the reason why we chose soil storage and also forest storage. We rated the public reactions to the strategies that we want to take place. We believe the taxpayers/consumers will give it a 3 because there is higher costing strategies such as solar electricity, but there's also the lower cost advantages such as efficiency electricity, forest storage, and soil storage. We gave energy companies a 4 because a lot of our strategies have to do directly with the electricity sector. We believe that environmental groups would give our strategies a 4 because even though it does have nuclear energy on it, there is also great renewable strategies such as wind and solar electricity, and also great strategies such as biofuels, forest storage, and soil storage. We gave manufacturers a 3 because we believe that they'll be okay with it because they'll have a lot of strategies to make a lot of money, such as solar electricity and wind electricity. We think industrialized country governments will really like our strategies because they not only have the means cost-wise, but they also have the means technology-wise. However, this differs from developing country governments where they might not have the technology and money for all the strategies that we have, so we gave them a 2. That was our wedge project. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.